Coconut chili crab. Ingredients: 2 1/4 pounds live crab, 1/4 cup coriander seeds, 1½ tablespoons cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon whole black peppercorns, sea salt, 5½ ounces white wine vinegar, 2 ounces desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon finely grated fresh ginger, 5 garlic cloves, 1 large green chili, chopped, 1 white onion, chopped, 1 tablespoon canola oil, 1 medium ripe tomato, diced, 10 fresh curry leaves, ½ ounce fresh turmeric, peeled and finely grated, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 9 ounces unsweetened coconut milk. Directions: place the crab in the freezer for 2 hours or until it stops moving. Remove the legs and crack them with a rolling pin. Remove the top of the shell and clean out the insides with your fingers. Chop the crab and top shells in half. Heat a medium saute pan over medium heat. Add the coriander seeds, cumin seeds and peppercorns and stir constantly until the seeds become toasted and fragrant, 3 to 4 minutes. Cool completely. To make the paste, grind the coriander seeds, cumin seeds and peppercorns with a pinch of salt using a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder. Transfer the spice mixture to a food processor and add the vinegar, coconut, ginger, garlic, chili and onions and blend to form a paste. Heat the oil in a heavy, large, wide pot over low heat. Add the paste and saute until fragrant and some of the juices evaporate, 5 to 10 minutes. Add the tomato, curry leaves, turmeric, chili powder and a pinch of salt and cook until the tomato pieces are tender and melting into the sauce, 5 minutes. Add the crab and 4½ ounces water, increase the heat to medium and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer raw until the crab pieces are cooked through, 10 minutes. Mix in the coconut milk and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes to allow the flavors to blend. Divide the crab pieces and sauce among shallow wide soup plates and serve immediately.